Hi, I'm Ankita Shori and you're watching me on Miss Malini. My personal style would actually be something which is very stylish and yet very comfortable. Something that suits your body type, very important, because a lot of time I like a garment but it doesn't suit my body as much as it could suit others, and something which doesn't suit others suits on me the best. So I think one should really keep their body type in mind and then go ahead with what they want to wear and not just see it on someone and try it on. And just keep it very stylish. I think you can make your wardrobe stylish with having some accessories like belts or a statement ring or a statement neck piece, which will always make you stand out in the crowd. My favorite item is actually a very big chunky silver ring which I have. Oh. If I wear that, no one takes their eyes off me. Actually, they don't take their eyes off my ring, to be honest. Yeah, I'm wearing a bikini anarkali, which is kind of different. Not many people have experimented with this. I love wearing Indian outfits, and I think you can experiment a lot with Indian outfits because they can never end up looking vulgar. Indian garment is such a garment which will always make you look very graceful. So I think I could take a chance wearing a bikini anarkali because if it's Indian, it still makes you look graceful. And yeah, I love to experiment with my wardrobe a lot. This designer is Saiba Matharu. She specializes in Indian fusion and she's got this huge collection of bikini anarkalis. I think something which she has created and she has thrown out in the market. I think there are a lot of other designs which you guys should go out and look into. What's in the pipeline? I'm flying off to Sydney. Yeah. I think when that will happen, it will be announced. So I'm an artist and I'm not supposed to talk about it right now, but whenever I will sign on something, the first thing I'll do is I'll share it with Miss Malini. Fashion tip, as I said, be stylish and yet comfortable.